Are you looking for a low tuition university in Italy where you can study your master's degree in English and even a fully funded scholarship? In this video, I'll be introducing you to the University of Calabria in Italy, one of the most affordable universities for international students. University of Calabria offers several international master's degree programs taught entirely in English in fields such as artificial intelligence, computer science, finance and insurance, chemical engineering, mathematics, and biology. One of the biggest advantages of studying in the University of Calabria is the affordable tuition fee. For many master's degree, the tuition fee typically ranges from 1,000 euros to 1,650 per year, depending on the program and student category. Even more interestingly, the university offers scholarship to international students through the Unical Admission Program. This scholarship can cover tuition fees, accommodation, meals, and also provide a yearly allowance about 3,600 euros to support students with their studies. In this video, I will guide you through the master's program offered in English at the University of Calabria, the tuition fee structure, scholarship opportunities, and complete step-by-step application process for international students. So if you are planning to study in Italy and want to apply to the University of Calabria, make sure you watch the video to the end because I will also share important tips that can help you increase your chances of getting admitted and securing a scholarship. So you type the University of Calabria and you click on the Unical Admission International Students. Then scroll down, check everything. Click on the International Master's degree in English. You can see different master's degree. You are going to choose which one you are interested in. So I'll be going for chemistry. So to take you to this page, you can decide to allow, then you can view the YouTube. So you can check the course in brief, subjects, just read through everything. Who is eligible for the course, how to enroll, download materials. So just go through everything. You can see that is 56, language English, and duration is 2 years. So you can check the course objective here, you know, the career opportunities, the fees, contribution and exemption. You can see up to 2,000 euros. Scholarship, you can see the scholarship that are available, tax benefits. So just go through everything and make sure that you understand everything. So that's the mail if you want to access the department. Then you can request for information here, then submit. So let's go back to the normal page. Then we are going to click on how to apply. So you can see the PDF here on how to apply. Just read through the PDF, scroll down to read everything. The call deadline is March 30. So we are going to click on the register on the portal. So to bring you here, it's there to verify. So after verification, it will take you to this page. So you can read everything here. Then you can go to the registration area. You see registration, you click on it. Then you click on web registration. That's where you input all your details. So put your name and everything. Your details will be here. So they will send a username and password to your email address. Then you put it here, then you access the website. So to bring you to this interface, so you now go to this menu. First, you save this. Go to menu, you can see. Then you can access everything you want to access there. Click. Let's see. Let's check the university portal. Let's open it up. Then to register of fees, you can see admission test, evaluation, everything, enrollment. So we're going for admission test. So you can see this one, university portal. Just go through everything. If you want to watch the video, then you can click on allow. So, so for test registration, you click on test registration. Okay, just read through everything. What do you want to do? Masters forward. So they are doing the security verification again. Let's try and verify now. So verification successful. Then it will take you to this portal. Select masters, then forward. So you choose the one you want to do. Forward. Then confirm and go to the next. Since you have confirmed the details, so try and use your phone to check the meaning of this. So away, choosing one. Then the ones in English you can answer it. Then you click on forward. So the registration part, you can decide to upload everything you need to upload by reading all these informations, then go to the menu to do other things. So I think this is basically how you can apply for this school. And just if you need any help that get you through anything, or you want us to help you with your admission process, kindly reach out to us and share with your friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.